Greetings, gals and guys. It's great to see you all back again for another episode at the Big Sweep. Are you tired of all those videos about the same boring life and cleaning hacks? It seems like they take more time and effort than they're worth sometimes. I'm Kelly, and I'm going to change that for you today. We're going to provide you with a mixed bag of odd, useful, and time-saving life hacks that you're going to wish you knew sooner. These hacks are perfect for anyone who wants to save time, money, and frustration in their everyday life. So grab yourself a pen and paper, or open your notes app because you won't want to miss these. Before we get going, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell so you always know when there's a new episode. Let us know which tip is your favorite in the comments section. We have plenty to talk about today, so let's get right to it. Hack number 1, parchment paper that fits the pan perfectly. Like me, if you have ever struggled to get a piece of parchment paper to lie flat inside a baking pan, this is the hack you've been waiting for. Here's what you need to do. Dampen your sheet of parchment paper under cool running water, then very gently wring out any excess water. The parchment paper will now be softer and easier to shape to your baking pan. The moistened parchment will grip the sides of your baking dish without any wrinkles. You will get even baking every time. Magical, isn't it? Hack number 2, baking soda for stained dishes. Have you ever had white dishes that look scratched and dull? You might think they're cracked and damaged forever, but don't panic! It's actually just a buildup of stains and residue from silverware. The metal from your knives and forks can leave those ugly scuff marks on the surface of your dishes. There is an all-natural solution to this problem. It's baking soda. Here's how to use it to clean the scuff marks off of your dishes. Sprinkle some baking soda or cream of tartar on the surface of your dish. Add a few drops of water to form a paste. Then spread the paste all over the surface with a wet dishcloth. Allow the paste to sit on the dish for several minutes. Rinse the dishes thoroughly with clean water and dry with a clean dish towel. Baking soda is a gentle abrasive that will remove the stains without scratching the surface of your dishes. You'll be amazed at how bright and white your dishes look after just one scrubbing with baking soda. Hack number 3, DIY budget-friendly cleaning. Magic erasers are, well, magic when it comes to removing stubborn grime and scuff marks, but they can be a little expensive. Here's a far less expensive substitute that you can make yourself. In a spray bottle, mix some warm water, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of borax. Give it a good shake to dissolve the borax and the baking soda. You now have a DIY spray that is perfect for use with your magic eraser sponges. It removes scuff marks on baseboards, floors, and walls. It even removes unsightly marks on sneakers. Just spray the solution right on the sponge and wipe away the scuff mark or stain. It's magic! Before we carry on, please take a moment to let us know in the comments section which hack was your favorite, and please share any of your own genius hacks so we can all learn from each other. Here we go with even more clever hacks. Hack number 4, stripping grapes from the vine. Do you get frustrated when you try to take a bunch of grapes off of the vine for a fruit salad or you kids' lunch boxes? Here's an easy way to do this. Spread a clean dish towel flat on your counter beside the sink. Put the grapes in a colander and wash them thoroughly in the sink, then place the entire bunch on the dish towel. Wrap the grapes in the towel and gently roll the bundle back and forth on the countertop until all of the grapes have separated from the stems. You have now washed an entire bunch of grapes and removed them from the stems, ready for use whenever you like. Hack number 5, peeling and cutting squash. Wash your squash thoroughly and dry it before putting it in the microwave for a minute or 2. Make sure you pierce the skin first so it won't explode. The heat will soften the skin enough to make the squash easier to peel. Using a vegetable peeler will make it even easier. Plus, the flesh of the squash will be softer and easier to cut into cubes or slices. Hack number 6, folding a fitted sheet. Folding a fitted sheet can feel like an impossible task sometimes. But fear not, there's a simple method that will have you folding your fitted sheets like a pro in no time. Lay the fitted sheet flat on a large surface, with the elasticated corners facing you. Match 2 corners on the short side of the sheet together, bringing them together so the right side of the fabric is facing out. Fold one corner over the other, creating a triangular shape. Repeat this process with the remaining 2 corners on the short side. You should now have a long rectangle with the elasticated corners tucked inside. Fold the rectangle in half lengthwise, smoothing out any wrinkles. Then fold it in thirds to make a nice, neat package. Hack number 7, spa-like towels. Your bathroom will become a spa with this beautiful towel folding technique. Spread your bath towel out on a flat surface. Fold one corner down to meet the opposite side. Fold the towel in half lengthwise, then flip it over. Start rolling it up tightly from the square end. Once rolled completely, tuck the pointed end of the roll inwards to create a clean and finished look. Your bathroom will look more elegant, and you will save space with this folding method. Hack number 8, grout rescue. Over time, even with regular cleaning, grout in your bathroom can become stained and discolored. Your tile floors and walls can eventually start to cry out for some love. Thankfully, there's a simple solution: a grout pen. Grout pens are available at most hardware stores and come in a variety of colors to match your existing grout. Simply apply the pen to the stained grout lines, following the instructions on the package. The ink will fill in the cracks and crevices, leaving your grout looking like new. Hack number 9, fog-free shower doors and mirrors. Tired of dealing with foggy shower doors and mirrors after a hot shower? Here's a hack that will keep your shower doors clear and sparkling. Apply a thin layer of Rain-X, typically used for car windshields, to your clean shower doors and bathroom mirrors. Follow the instructions on the Rain-X bottle for application and buffing. The Rain-X will create a water-repellent barrier that will prevent water droplets from clinging to the surface of your shower doors, reducing fogging and making them easier to clean. Hack number 10, cupboard cleaning. Here's a hack that will make the process of cleaning your cabinet doors not only easier, but it might even become fun. Use a clean microfiber mop with a telescoping handle and string mop head to reach high cabinets. Dunk the mop in a mild solution of dishwashing liquid and clean water, then wring it out well. Clean the highest cabinets first, then the lower ones. This is a brilliant hack for the elderly or handicapped, as you don't have to get up on a ladder to reach the upper cabinets. Before we continue, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more cleaning, organizing, and life hack content. We'd also love to hear from you in the comments below. Hack number 11, painless Band-Aid removal. Removing a Band-Aid can be painful, especially for children or people with thinner skin like the elderly. Here's a gentle and effective way to remove Band-Aids without the ouch factor. Apply a small amount of petroleum jelly around the edges of the Band-Aid. Let the petroleum jelly sit for a few minutes to allow it to loosen the adhesive. Gently peel the Band-Aid off, starting at the corner and slowly working your way towards the center. The petroleum jelly will help break down the adhesive, making the removal process much more comfortable. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you all in the next video.